All right, guys. Good morning to each and every one of you. This is Enogie, one of Deutschland, your number one controversial investor in Enogie. Please let me share the video and call me with love this morning, my people. Call me with love, guys. Call me with love. 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 Share this video for me and come in with love this morning. Please share this video. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning in the country of Deutschland. Please let me share the video. As you come in, let me share. As you just come into the live stream, help me to share. I not tell Momo update. I tell Momo update, say Momo update. This guy when you play voice record, say na so the show when Park will come for Stuttgart. Say na so this happen after the show. I tell Momo update, say now who they run this Deutschland. That guy must apologize. And now he has apologized. So let me share the video. You don't apologize. You understand? I'm gonna share a lot of things they will want to talk about today. I'm gonna still go call me Ofiote Bremer. While we are Ofiote Bremer, please help me to share. Help me to share, my people. Help me to share, please. Thank you so much. Toss up the video and help me to share. Good morning to each and every one of you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Please help me share the video. Help me share the video. Help me share the video. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's start from somewhere this morning. Just help me to share, help me to share, help me to share. Thank you so much for the love and like. Please, as you are coming in, just help me share. As you are coming in, help me share. As you are coming in, help me share. So that other people will know that I'm on live video. It good, as this boy can apologize, so it good me will still play him. And not be every time that they do saga. Not be when they bring a park will be down. Not be the good apologize. Not be the good saga a park will be me. As this boy constantly apologize to a park will be down. Say the word when he talk, he not use until bring a park will be down. May we forgive him. Understand? The guy don't learn a lesson. So please let's forgive him. But I will play the audio straight away. I'll be playing the audio straight away. Please help me share this video. Help me share, help me share. Help me share, my people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, my people. As you come in, thumbs up the video for me. As you come in, thumbs up the video for me. As you come in, thumbs up the video for me. Just give me love. Thumbs up means love and like. I'm not there on YouTube this morning. I want to do it for Facebook. You understand? Maybe later I will put the video for my YouTube channel. But I want to do this one for Facebook this morning because why? This guy, so when we more update, break come out that day, can't humiliate. If Papa not be park obey. Saying that so the show they do for Stuttgart, they not gain nothing. Now the show promoter even go hospital from the show. You understand? So the guy don't send me apology video and I'm gonna play them. I'll not be only more update matter I will talk about this morning. I will still talk about Ofiote Bremer because since I did this Europe, I never see person where they give 10 years for Germany. It they happen for other countries, but I never see person where they give 10 years. That's why I say want to share because people who did Germany will still call into this program today. I beg, when I enlighten me. I been because me never get the document. That's why I don't know. Me will just still take for Germany. I never see person where they give 10 years before. Is it that they give you 1 year or they'll give you 2 years or 5 years? Now, what did I do experience with that? But I never see person they give 10 years. So, Ofiote Bremer, the thought say they don't give a document. Now, today we go know if that document are fake or real because information reaching me yesterday night say that document was forged. Like, it just be like passport, normal plastic ID card. Just, God bless, say, they just arrange it like that, come strong for Facebook. Say, not be real document. You get. So now we go know if not read documents because you know say this social media all this so we learn every day. It's not about saga sometimes. Sometimes we learn every day. This is where it is good for you to go to school. School not be scam. Ofiote Bremer bring document come outside. A lot of us not even bother to ask her, make it not confuse say maybe we dey jealous. But yesterday, somebody called me say, Ofiote Bremen never still get document. Say that guy never get document. Say the plastic when the show say na fake, say not be real document. Say if na real document, make that guy carry that document, go police, may go show am. You understand? So we go softly they do this thing one after the other. May we first start with the apology where this guy go make. You understand? I'll play the video again before I'll play the video of the apology. More than know the person where they apologize. Mumu update come across one video for TikTok. The reason why they use pidgin English, not be all my fans they hear BD. That's why I can't upgrade myself to speak pidgin English because not be everybody they hear English BD. So the reason why they play this video, Mumu update see one video for TikTok. When this guy take climb up, you understand, talk some certain things where he not supposed to talk, you get, because all those things where this guy talk are all lies. You get. He do them because of the way that they insult Ebagua, according to his explanation to me. He do them because of the way that they insult Ebagua enemy and stuff like that. That's why he climb up. But me cannot talk too much. I beg, Mona, help me share this video. I beg. If you come across this video, help me share the video. And I know they see comment too. I don't know, maybe on my phone or maybe on my laptop when they use. I don't know. Maybe on my side. I don't know, but let me see. Because I know they see comments. Please help me share the video. Please help me share. Good morning to you all. This is Enogie, one of Deutschland, your number one controversial investor in Enogie. Please, while we are going to video now, Mona help me share this video. I beg. Mona help me share this video. Mona help me share this video. Mona help me share the video. All right. I want to play the video to some extent. Then I can play the apology video. Now let's go. Share this video. Share this video.
Up for hospital after the show when I breaking news, my people, it don't bust. Show promoter don't go end up for hospital. I believe all of you know that show promoter when carry a Kobuhe comes Stuttgart for France. He don't go end up for hospital after the show when a Kobuhe come play for Stuttgart. When I know say I do video about that show, I tell you now say people who did that show, like I say they go, I don't know where they for bring them. So boys, like Curtis boys, now you for the show. No responsible men and women for that show. Enogie we come across saying a lie. Now the manager to the promoter don't come out, can speak out. How this say no to Europe tour they affect the show when they do for Stuttgart. My people will not be my mouth to not go for here because a lot of people say we not go fit do anything, say we not fit stop this Europe tour. So make una hear waiting the manager to the show promoter talk about the show when Akoboe come play for Stuttgart. I will be right back.
Because I show promoter and maybe give it Stuttgart. One it should would there because all this year or Konshima Kakabo. I was a manager a weapon manager position of the R30 so my music man a music man and a train and became Nigeria I promoting music man. Yeah. Understand? So he make a you one Wahala one by your boy it's a pojima to say the truth. Mama me here if mama me have you no kele or if you are village apada or if you no kele neck we no let them ma show if I be gonna to say the truth. Understand? I be truth ma be in my nima or we wear the club in a zero. Understand? Or the team Wahala why you
You see where this guy for error, you will be show promoter. Yeah, you go egui. Even if you say you don't send me apology video in case of next time. Yeah, you go egui in case of next time. I believe you one of Stuttgart. I don't see you one on one. You know me. That's why I heard they look more of this until the day where I'll catch them. You know me very well. Say I be very peaceful person, but this thing where you go talk for Mama Sonia platform, you F up where you are not even supposed to say this thing there. Because these people get agents. Not the only more updates and Fakomos or they do this thing, they get agents. Who are their agents? People who don't still frustrate for Europe. Some of the people who don't still frustrate for Europe. Where be say may they be sadists, not be musicians, means they frustrate, but they put that thing for musician body. If they drag Esther, no problem, because Esther Dokpa Yoni Zua, he say people in the Europe knows about dress. They will not say that Esther they drag, but can they generalize them? That make me that make me come out, talk say Europe tour must continue. Europe tour must continue. Because why? You cannot just wake up one morning and start insulting somebody. Oh, General Treasure Leonard, good morning, my sister. You understand? That guy not try at all. Because you be show promoter, you are not giving them glory, say they affect you. You get fans, you feel move people, make they call your show. If you feel move people, call your show. Me not be me they do saga since then, but my show now this weekend. Because I believe in myself. I believe in my people. Say yes, they're going to match me on that day. People will be saying, you don't know for air. You can't give them glory. Esther, we don't fail for musician. When I start feeling Esther has failed as a musician. Esther has failed as a musician. If you don't know me, you know. Lady of Saga, I'll block you out. So this guy here in question, you can't go to give Fakomozwo and more of the glory. Since the shot say no to Europe tour, a park will be still a good show. Other musicians are coming on their way to Europe tour. These people are just making noise. If they don't talk, finish your winter ass. You, as a show promoter, you can't go to talk, say, or what affecting my. Yes, I know say you don't send me an apology video, but don't try it again. It's not good. Emma, don't do it next time. In case of next time, anywhere, it's not good. In case of next time. Because tomorrow now, no musician will want us to do that again. Because you as a show promoter, now you can't even use your mouth till they talk, say you are fed. Say now just did there. If you want to do show as a show promoter, you go put them for African store. How many African store now carry the flyer go for Stuttgart? And they ask, how many African store will not carry the like me now? No African store where they man, this my region where I never put my flyer say I want to do show. You tell people, if you not tell people, nobody will come your show. Before you become a show promoter, you have to promote yourself. If they believe in waiting, they want to talk for social media. If I'm not material, you're not supposed to say this. I don't say you don't apologize, but in case of next time, you are not supposed to say what you said. You are not supposed to say it.
Yeah, we need to bed now because I can not even before you have here. It will affect him. My only one in my average time, my only go have a ticket or say one way the show. But I was manager to my friend to that show. But over here, they always show for the hospital now. Okay.
Imagine. Look at what you say. Even where matter. You know, say people don't they go for checkup sometimes. There are people who don't they go for checkup. They often say that to sit down for social media day and night. They don't go for checkup. This body, at least sometimes they go for checkup. You know if you carry that guy go hospital. You know that the guy body change. You know that something happened to that guy. You know that the guy if get health issue. You just come back and say, hospital now you're yori. You bring down yourself. You bring down the person where you call your friend. You bring down the show. You bring down the show. Now you make an apology. This is your apology, so now they don't carry this one. Now let me one. Now go come carry and say you don't apologize. You bear more. Yes, I go insult you. That's why I say you don't send me that apology video. You don't say me yakobe yaku. When I take really. I remember that day with Pakobe and DJ Froze. They goes to that. If Pakobe even greet you, say now you be the agbonigi. Then you went there to start saying it showed why you still got a when you are with the other one you are hospital. Who be this idiot, Larry? You say whether or not they work, you they mad or they kill your papa. Now my work a day like this money. As you they watch me like this, the money they enter my account. You don't know. You didn't know about to go work around it, come back and see. As I did that video now, as you they watch me now, you they give me money, you don't know. Ozuo, Mogu. Away. That means we go to work hard work. That means we go to better for work. The better go soon. That means we go to work hard work. Good morning, my sister Jari. Larry, you are a fool, idiot. Get out of my platform. You are a distraction. Ozuo no makon. You dey work now. You dey social media this morning. Wow. So you are not supposed to give that guy glory. More updates can carry the thing. Yeah, they say now when they tell and say no Europe tour, who be there to stop Europe tour? If I back over they come next year, I know carry a call again. I'll carry a go do send off. Yeah, the truth is what now. If I still carry back over call again this year, next year I'll carry a go do send off. I'll carry a go Cologne. I'll the expand. Yes, OT. Oh, you want to give me copyright, Mama? You want to have a copyright, Nora? Mama, you want to give me copyright? Go. Nonsense. Rubbish.
Understand?
Who do you now? My dear brother, Elio Kajia.
I will sure take a give it another.
In a show where we still got then I hear you. Agboligi, what happen to you, Danet? Not be you cause what happen to you. Your fellow here man be one beat you. Against the audio here, I'll play this money. Make them no say, not be a bad matter, not be cause issues, not be make that show can get as it be. Now your own matter cause problem. Now Louis Carter, that can everywhere put that day, even though they for beat you black and blue. Now your fellow here man, now they bring now you are the gay issue that day. You even talk for the video, wait for apologize. You say whether I never see Coco right up, she not mention my name. Now you know whether you get best for picking. If you know the fear, me mention my name. Me I can tell them your own life history. Now you know, you not mention my name, so that is not me. If I call the saga Coco, go be like say I get best for picking. So not be me the thought to not saga. They don't send me the thing yesterday, but you not mention my name. You see, no give for they go write my name. Me I can tell them life history. You don't take. You know, I be my they talk with right the time. Now when we hear the talk, so we was to this yesterday. I already passed my message to yesterday. He don't mention as far as he don't mention my name. He write down. If me can come out the talk, meaning you get me better. But if I don't answer, I mean not be me the talk to because my mention any.
Okay, then I go every not forget here if I'm not small any I'm not small. But
Yes, my people, I believe so. I don't hear what this guy talk. For those of you who will not hear Billy when he speak, this guy na manager to the show promoter we bring a Kobuhe comes to that for Germany. Now the guy they explain say this say no to Europe tour. They really push them. Don't affect a lot of things for the show when they do. He said now show when they do for Stuttgart. After the show finish, because nothing come out from the show, because responsible people not come the show. He say our responsible Benin men and women not did that show. Now the guy will be the manager to the promoter and I they talk so not be me talking.
And he was not even the manager. And waiting happen for that show. Now this boy person. Now a fellow here man. Now they gotta get issue for backyard. When they use slap to the deaf here. I go play the audio just now. If you even use the mark, fuck him. That's why I asked the guy, make you come apologize. He wants to spoil my name. If I could remains my father for life. And I will protect him as far as a presenter. I will protect him. If anybody did lie for your head, I will debunk him with evidence of proof. As far as in Germany, I don't know about other countries. But if you did this Germany, now would they rule this country? Forget it, Malwe. Now would they rule this country? They feel now. Malwe, now would they? Yeah, if you say they rule the country, well, now who knows you? Now, you don't go do this voice now. This idiot now can't take clearly say, now the video when they do that, many people not come outside. You know, content now your own fellow men that they use like death to your ear. Auto 1 or 2 for cup, what you don't fit do for grant. They call cash you for the show. When you be where seen there, but do I want you with Pakobe? Now let me go straight to. I don't want to see this idiot. I just put and make it. Let's go straight to the apology. I called you yesterday, me do apology. Yes, you do, but I see the verse on you. They only do something like that. I will invade your honey. I will invade your. In case of next time.
A voice of power on taking the social media.
Now the apology video be this one. I bet when they give me love and like. I'm one of the reactor who say, I love Akube. If you know you love me, I love Akube. I love Akube. Nobody can stop you to talk. When I know the right time for my comment section. For my lovers. Because if the way they drag you will fall down, if you're not clear, these people, they're ready to drag the part before, but as far as I did, no level for them. You know, they see a part if you do video, not see a part fresh, not see a part soft, not see a part classy. Ogon bazin the craze. If I'm not make way, if I'm not zua, memo. No, you do apologize now. But that your video, what you do, you know where you follow. Don't say anything that man now. In case of a dory, now let once I don't see you for Stuttgart. You tell them say now your guys now they be want spread the show for your hand. When you are telling me away, it get where you go reach. I'll play the audio day when I take carry go backyard. I'll play because who will tell me where I'm going to go and the Pakobe that the other day were. And I will go at Bolivia or when he came anyway. He embraced you. He embraced you.
Yeah. I mean, not concerning a show in my always to God. Yes, a show in a voice in my where Mama will show with to God in hand. A mama renima. Just that many yara moins où j'ai d'autres boutons de TikTok qui vit screw here et y'a jamais climb. Mi a saga e parera mega Akobe gan ba.
Akobera. Derano e nugoyata nueta. Derano e nugoyata ni. You will not have said it. Ya muje do boutons. En yake muje do boutons. Do my thing go gbera. Mozwo. A mumu update. No zua. Mozwo. You can't start that Paco is there. When they show night castle, you don't ever see show with the castle. Say, because of the saga, because of the tumor saga, they call castle one show. You don't hear us is there. When you climb, go to talk. Wait till you're not supposed to talk. Don't try it next time. How will you need?
After dog by winning again the Euro Tom on fear in Allah where Amy no wauna Amy not by because of this. Imani bugi oni again ladian ya funia show ni maune dedo. Gave no sunu and move where immediate a miscreant in normal kinita dollar jam video ni but o segi ni merisi mi wo ime mari mioni. So a video na edition aware session ya watch on the video na ya kame e ma ya fe no down your voice record anywhere no why go because of why me him agigboligi one of Jamie. Yes, it's too God na when why ya we me ke we ne pa ya to re ne too God how agigboligi raise to God Baba, that respect I not taken for granted for real. Imagine the agbonje, my mind, the thing I was weak in the journal, the thing I was sad because he me ra mi emeni ara tamagba oja me till like we nu wa stop here kinu wa dona. But at the end of the day, my man where emina ma uwe ti me ya deji. So in my affair no me negbin yan be call me where the matter na ya there na be zununu me. So many kata edition wa teme na se wa ya wa wesi wa to wa be ya still go by the name Agigboligi 30 minutes Agigboligi one of Germany. Thank you all guys. So edimi ni gata de bon ibiedo ya ke wana ya le wana re bon me ni wa ya fe no we wo re ma no wo ho me no ma no we ti me we Agigboligi be matter na wo ya son we Louis Carter Stuttgart na ma you be. I said the way you take mark me for Stuttgart. Some people when me your believer they don't mark me like that. You call me say Agigboligi alpha see waiting I hear.
Some people when you believe will not match you like that. Wow. Hey, hakwe na gbona ni abere. Wow. Louis Carter na your guy. But now Louis Carter save you that net. Yeah, boah. Because that corner where they did, everybody so be a big way. Now you bring this issue. But here ni anate we be ni anya uni. But we man la jalo ta we. Ya ate do boah. We man la jalo te. We can do Yakobe a cover up. Why? Do you know how much I love Akobe? Wow. Do you know how much me love Akobe? Oh, you don't know. Say I love Akobe. You not me one in city wa pe one kwa. I love that man so much. And I know they joke with him. And if I see people they lie for years, I go make sure say I go any length to debunk and say that lie. Away. You know soon that we got and one player, Louis Carter voice man. I'm down here. Listen to what happened to you in Stuttgart.
Family. I like you.
This man Louis Carter so now my childhood friend with this. Don't say in a magba with me. Right from day one. The con full quite a giant. What done we all?
Enogie fan. I get your someone. Family. I like you. I see your video, bro. That make I say make I quick say you must have been call you, bro. Because anything we have for that show, everything by team. I know everybody starts to the end. The guy we call a economy good right hand man understands the narrative. The narrative I call one person don't join her, nobody give her money. Now the poor boy money they take her nobody support her, no manager, nothing. Manager. The poor boy don't get manager. See now.
You not get manager oh, or not why you break the manager. Why you go they blame your own misfortune, you they put her for person body. Your own fuck up. You want why you're like because of they talk, say one refract. If I they talk about say no to Europe tour. You will yagbe. Say not them, the thing they happen to, whereas not you.
One person that manager do anything. The hear me so that guy when going to do video, going to complain to the big time. Agboligi so. With the people, I don't know where to go carry a man, corner with the fellow a man, don't get problem. The hear me so the guy a man.
You there, yeah? You want to show you put cut his forehead. Like my show now, all you just are welcome to my show. I don't get color for that day. Everybody's welcome. Both you, if you be green, if you be black, if you be blue, if you be white, everybody there. We are all one. Anybody will try rubbish. Police will come there. That's why that Agge Union president do voice record yesterday. The show I want to start the color or no color. Let's come out as one. You don't go bring color. Come now. If you go color, you don't see her. The why were you not trying to tarnish the image of a Paco bear? Why? Why you the way video of it? I don't have to forgive you. Why you worry? You still need that do that one. Anyway, we talk now. No. Why you worry? Why you worry? Because you be where you spread that man. Who want to work with career money? But to setting. Because people now we not they look for, we not they investigate issue. If they hear that kind of thing, they will be feared to book a park over. No, it's not your fault. Now they won't beat you. You know the shame. As you be so. Now your own fellow guys will carry a car corner. Why can beat you? Person will not be your guy. That can go rescue you from your gas. May God let me shop which where I no fit to defend myself. May God let me shop which whether they beat me join. You the same matter now. But more update now they talk about that thing for that say I say now the thing where they talk now make that show can't get as it be, which is not supposed to be so. But here we show away the door now. Which musician will listen to you comes to that? You say be show promoter. Look at what you said out of your mouth. Let me tell you something. If you don't know today, no. Every year we are mere tasowa. Sometimes it goes sweet. Show. Sometimes you lose. Sometimes you gain. That's what show be for everywhere. You lose today, not mean say you no gain tomorrow. You gain today, not mean say you no lose tomorrow. That's what it be. But you go they give these people glory. See now there. Yeah, in Yata or see any Mama Ladia. Where they fast? Apart from that Stuttgart where you did for this, so not everybody still know you for the Stuttgart. Outside Stuttgart, who know you? You want to show how much you bring come out. You hear us kind of what they talk say. Now that guy, so that other guy. Now he bring money come outside. Now ya will show. You not support how you got to be manager. Do you know what's the manager? Manager, now you go bring money come outside say, take do show. Yeah, only a manager. You give yourself big name. Who made you a manager to that show? Even okay, we'll take for example. Say you be manager. You use your mouth. Bring what you know say no happen why you know where I'm where ya.
You follow the do a year for them which you follow a year make get problem. They cannot go backyard. Now they begin you still have to go finish our backyard, bro. Now I mean be the person who will come there call rescue them for the back make the player. If I could be don't know one or two, if I could be they perform. They play the guy finish. The guy begin misbehave. Police here come. If I go in police here go push one. Police not go answer that. The stance will be not going to take concern if I could be.
You dey see matter. They even beat you. I didn't know let's have it. They even beat you because they do cuttings for show. They not beat you where you might say. Therefore beat you because why? Now you go to do cuttings with them. You not call them for force say, Alpha, this show on the console. I don't want to hear just matter. Now flex, I want more complex so. Any just matter, my dear, you go your ass or I call police for you. You know if you can't give me problem because other injuries dead there. Now I hear me show. Where you do a year for show. Then that is I hear my heart. Common sense is not common. Why you what's the problem you get? Una they talk say that the young boy don't go talk. The one when you do so now, master na young don't go talk. Well, I always show. Okay, you be the guy friend when they do the show. Good and fine. Wait till you they use your own fellow guys they do for day. Like, why were you not doing another thing again? Then after they don't beat you, that anger now whenever I'm on your show, you say now the show person. Who does that? You. That's how I see. What it can make you join? Whether or carry you go come and go they beat you. What it can make you join the team now? They know if you wait, may they treat your matter another day. That's what they do for a year. Now that kind of person want for beat you. We'll not get meeting, we'll not go do meeting. If you fuck up, no matter you fuck up, now inside show where other bodies there. Now they want for go treat your fuck up. Don't understand though.
Because all those kind of jobs, this video when some people call it do now. The man do his show successful. The show was so successful. You hear me? So then the right way do show, then the right not the hospital, they are alive. And what are this is actually the Ghana is still God. The stand is still God. That guy.
You know even they stay in the Stuttgart.
I speak to you where I'm married or yasunu. So Enogie or Jemmy. So you have a live and I even we're not going to be pa. Virama Kobian. Area where a video ni Emina Egmina ni Megbina where a saga
Baba Saga King Star, I see you. A party star, man. Give me
and
star.
stop. I'm afioni where our fetish show in Niawuna.
Why you know our first show when you carry injuries put for head to do show? Why you know he pay me say no be you do that show, maybe for run at lost. So that next time if you want to do show, you know put juice. So that if you want to do show, then you don't know how to do business. You then mix business with pleasure. My show when I want to do this weekend, everybody is welcome. Both Jew, both any color, you are welcome. If you do any say color there, my dynamic go give you to police. If you do color for my show on the 28th of June, I will personally give you to police. How dare you? That's why my show. Why you do color with me? For sure. I'll give you to police. Fast. I'll just have to call again union. They're going to do there that day. When I give this person to police, they do color with me. But you, they shut it to them. Now they fuck you up. Color. When I make the show, not call yourself promoter again because they say you don't even do the Stuttgart. So you are not even recognized as Stuttgart. Now you go in the midst of women, go spoil park. Okay, if not be me now we can follow up with this matter as more update. They talk is there. Now so therefore they say, okay, you do show finish, you're from the hospital. No, say, oh my capa, if I sing really, why you be who does that? At your age. Now that person go carry you go call and go they slap you. Oh that way. May I read the Belago right? He say you join something for protection and connection. Now they call what's that the essence of you to join? What till you join that they beat you? Hey, Baba, God forbid batting. God forbid.
Imanima, the man, all Ladian or almost you be Ladian. A part big out.
You know, say, perceive a good dog, good one, all Ladian, people want to come. Why was not the essence of you going to people's platform to say that? Why?
For all this thing, you know. So, if I say, Akobe Maton, Akobe no Munigo, Wagwe, yes. The Gemini was a TV me maybe your way, even your cool, even your platform.
Who want book you? The man will move now. Who want book you? Where you boy warrior show, you don't anybody they look you now like okay, if they still carry you for show now, if you still see your fellow guys or they'll still beat you. You don't use your hand to take by your career. Not also now you want to do the show, just use for a person give that one will call this now you want to do one or four. Not maybe essentially they don't forget. Maybe 4 years time before you feel they do show again.
Anywhere, every grow day, every one day. Good people can meet me anywhere. I get bully one or Jimmy. Wow. Every year.
Agigboligi, according to your name, they're not they make trouble again. Agigboligi, you did boligi already. You not act according to your name. Agigboligi, they're not they make trouble, but you make trouble for your own guy party with your own guys. Put the blame for a park overhead. They say police even come. Police don't even mind you. Meaning you don't constitute nuisance for long. If for German police to come snub you, meaning you have been constituting nuisance for long. And you see me that they greet me like better person. party Munyako Beria. What in Munyako Beria? Now people will now understand that you will do that voice. Ubowe eole koji. If you ya deba, no même no yae or send you nothing boy. I want you join. I don't know what you do then. I mean them one mama you. But not before then they will for doing. Therefore keep your fuck up with another day. Come would they give more update glory. On you know my who. Oh, we may la diamba, no do atie, say no to you, walk ban no tie, no go on book ni or tie, or more it, or ya tie, or filthy bremen, no soon, wagmon, when no get to boy. When we mad, where are they? Maybe I wish you know where are they? Who do come my way? What if you go to the platform or more big? You give me a yawa on me. Nonsense.
Even wow, area ya day. Imera assim você via que o nie saga e panere saga está do bai ni a stop aí we me ni a una ema so era no me we me ne ni no man ya fe ni metawo me mamio ni online
They no manutawo. Those woman atawe iya ya take boy. Those woman atoni. Why you not talk that one? Baba Saga King Star talk me we say. Why you not come talk that one? Why? Hey, we be ready now. Emma, for your own good and your protection, whatsoever you belong that for yourself. If you want to show, let your guys know. Alpha, I want to show. I don't call you for my show. If they want to come, make they come support you. If they don't want to come, make they stay their ass. Don't be say they'll come. How do you have boy? Ah, shit. Me tell me.
so ni me ya bode wo ke no sunu o mage ke ni gbe mi ana no sunu be show oni e ya fian so where gwe e ni kan yeta yi ni kin e ma ya fe ni wo go me no ma no ti me before wa we se kakabo I very appreciate wa ya wa top wa ya wa we se.
Please help me share this video. I don't forgive her. You forgive her. Please let me share the video, my people. Let me share. Now, my people, let's go to Ofiote Bremen. I beg, I go need Saga King Star. Akobe is a legend. Nobody can bring him down. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you. All right, my people, let's go to the next topic for today, which is this Mugu. Okay, my people. Now let's start with Ofiote Bremen. Hello. It was a live video. Okay. Please share the video, my people. Yes. Okay, Otweno. Okay.
So,
Hello.
So, when the party when I pick up what everything I lodge you tell everything in my so I was so surprised. What
Are you and Atebi brother, bros? Now you say Papa be the same game. Which one? Okay, now the year now. Say father, say mother, Ogwana. Now the year. Okay, Baba. Talk with the year you. Okay.
Because you be seen way by the cool. Understand? So, we are set a kakabo.
Yes.
My affair, me video, because he na big name. So one guy me on me on siku vederio. Oga bi gas oga ni tiya ek mesu with isi egbe le na bi gas oga enye ya foke opi ba ni ek mesu we dey do matter.
Okay, isi egbe. Why you call this egbe? Why?
When you give a rain, even in Nania, when you give a COVID, then you no, or mass of Cabo, ya show face in the public, with you. So, ya fucking help you, they just want your, they want to grace him.
My brother, if not so, they your way, or in not do away, you know where? You know, say, this game of it, if you don't enter, you don't enter.
Yeah, down on truth. I mean, more.
You know, they see, say you don't do it, you can't say you don't do it again. But you go make them understand, say, if anything they happen, you go feel they give them money. If not be money to buy a person, maybe for development or to help the less privileged, but you not there to buy a person. They will still let them know, say, because of your kind of person where you can't be for the entertainment world, they go understand that. Maybe they run for them, you know, they pick their call again.
Understand the video only problem
noga ro
only playing your money understand who get there. So if we are warrior matter he don't know how many call we don't receive since that day.
Okay.
Okay.
Why they go back where? Now your brothers them. Now you go know if you will forgive them. Not be like.
So here you pay in your no where the issue ni when get quick. So all get funny why I wanna what me what you to where we know my brother because you can't follow up the social media video come me look where pump to go I mean bit of power me watch in me mana get to live and me sing una later I wanna so me sing una later here piece me here down here a video where Oma so we have no have a mumu update you no more careful any the blog me now the down the kiri I know they follow them at all and they listen to them because so I mean guess okay who we supposed to hear from not be all those men so all getting working well so Baba immediately me aware all get party or what yeah why what they may shut him bro where do you go talk so you know not food where go put for these people
okay
away boss me you wait me explain give you get not be so 10 minutes not be waiting to know as far as say some kind words don't come for your mouth now those one I told all these guys go pick for waiting you talk they go forget
the ones thank you they'll forget that one go pick the wrong one.
This
yes.
Now this one, now they go home, they fight it. You know your support, you know your clan, you know who say okay, me go fight for a part, you go better part this one.
Thank you.
So Maria, make out a man we don't call when they don't cut them before we could do a video. So you might take
thank you.
Go viral video
yeah. It must go viral now because they go want claim glory. They go want you to take claim glory.
Yeah, definitely. All those men want you to take claim glory where maybe where the case.
Now the video where they do, now it make her come be like that.
Almost one wrong. We it will not call off. Yeah, where there. I how to swap. I know we
no problem. Okay.
So I believe
arriva.
Before I came with the sugar the veteran. So all my time, I sweet all not the one for the power, but we all might go more water.
Thank you.
So only why the issue Wahala.
No problem, my brother. We say even forgive any and I could be fast word where please Muna forgive him. I mean I never be with you. Now we say.
Yeah, no, don't.
Thank you so much. We say.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right, my people, my fellow brothers and sisters living in Germany, please, there is something that I want to bring to your table today. As you can see this short man roaming around in the streets of Bremen, this short man here said that they gave him 10 years document in Deutschland, 10 years. Please, my people, I will drop my number. Is there a time where Germany take change law where me not know? Or rather, Germany they give person 10 years. This will not be saga. This is the reality of life. Yesterday, I got a call from Bremen that this guy said he have 10 years document. How? Say, man, now based on the pressure, when me see put for a body, because he allow me say me not get. And the priest put for a body, now you go to do fake plastic, come and say I document. So I go call social media president. Now, I go still call some of my people when first me reach this country before me still come. Me don't still stay here, but I go call people who don't first stay here before me come. May they come explain to me if they give person 10 years. They need to make social media presidents. May I call that one first. They need to Do Block TV, I see you, my sister, I bet you share this video for me. Because you know, mama, if you like. Congratulations. Stop laughing. You have a tear on me, man. This social media president, there, you have a tear on me. You have a tear on me. Wahala, this is not saga. This is just the reality of life. He only here, literally 10 years in over. Let me call my paddy, my old time paddy. Yeah, but I agree, because I want to know if it happen like that. Those who know what going hello, we hear what talk me. You know, he live video, but of me, you only know where you say nothing where we hear. Agree. If voice you remind Ladia, you are more outside, you work alone. You know explain my movie. I the 10 years in Norway, a Germany, only quite only why. Okay. La wa down yo because he only here they need to celebrate it bar. A document in your of your Bremen where Ladia. Where you get police up here there we yes or read. Or why you slaughter out? Then I agree yes. Okay, hey, Nimo last week we hear. Where's what talk me? And one of my sister here, my old time friend. Okay, like we book every year. And hey, Germany for years. So it's here now we hear just summarize. Did they give person 10 years document for Germany?
Please come again with the question.
Did they give person 10 years document for Germany? 10 years document to not be passport. 10 years document for Germany, not be France.
Hold on. No, I mean, I fell laugh. Who they blow that kind undiluted lies?
Now, filter Bremen. Or we are 8 years in the air.
It's a lie. That person is just a moron, sorry to say.
Okay.
Maybe, I don't know, maybe that person wants to live a small fake life. As long as Jamie is concerned, let me just summarize. It's either Jamie give you some months, which is like from 6 months. Sometimes, if you are lucky enough, Jamie will give you 3 years, which is you have to work, or either way, get married, or somebody gave birth, you know, you sign for it.
Yeah.
Then afterwards, but according to German law, your marriage must be last for 5 years before you can even apply for German passport. But it didn't end there. there are also demands that come with it, which are the requirement.
Okay.
And another thing is, you must spend more than 5 years in Germany.
Okay.
You must spend more than 5 years in Germany.
Okay.
Before you can have what we call unbefisted.
Okay.
You must be working. You must not be living under Shosha, which is properly known from job center.
Mm-hmm.
You must be kind of self-independent. You know what I'm saying? You are working, you pay your bills, you pay your bills.
Okay.
Then you will still meet up with the every necessity requirement.
Okay.
But while you are still renewing those your documents,
yes,
you have to achieve what is called A1, A2, B1 to B2 to C1.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Aspect of the passport, you must legally be married either to a German man or to a German woman or to a black person, which is a German person, a passport holder. And but your marriage must be lasted for more than at least minimum of 4 years together.
Yes.
Before you have the temerity to even put in for the German passport. But
yes,
even if your marriage has been lasted with a German passport holder for decades, without this B1, you still don't. They will still deny you. So German don't give you. What I'm trying to say in essence, to summarize the whole question, is there is nothing like German give you 10 years. We don't live in France. Germany is not Italy. That person is a black fat lie. Tell the person to shut up and get inside.
Okay.
It does not exist in Germany. Thank you.
We'll see. Now, I'm not doing this out of jealousy. God sees my heart. I am doing this because of the too much lies. You get? Because now some fracomos will come out that time. I can't say get document of marriage. This one bring you come outside. But it was fake. You know those markets that they go do for Italy. They say they go to say passport. I don't know that one. I don't see come across one. So they say passport, but nothing they say the passport. You get? So meanwhile, no. Even they give person 10 years. That Dama does offer residence documents valid online for Siamo, the Irish citizen be. So not come for me. No, I not come for you. I want to know. We need to know. Amen. The Jamarat. Jamarat have a document. Do you want to tell me? Hello. On a say Afa. Ouais, il dit non, Moudia, dis-moi last speaker au Moudia, oui, the big, ouais. They don't see 10 years document for Germany, oh.
Napoleon a plastic in it. Napoleon a plastic in it.
Ah, so.
Napoleon a balo.
Okay, all you like document, but plastic.
Our guy plastic anyway. I think about all the but Napoleon a coin.
Oh, lad, really, yayi, or sorry, the police, we want. Or who the police? Yes.
Plastic. But Napoleon our coin. When not Napoli. Napoli one or Napoli said Charlie again, la Germany.
Yes.
My solo now, the Nigeria passport are the owner. Napoli one no metori. Itori. Napoli and Agbala. When I was war.
Are you for it? So yeah, Napoli
and a coin now. Again. I read a moment with you. Again. But just we are in machine all our bus back. Where else I see no you again, what kind of Poliana coin? Right, no more.
See, and I did go, they tell me, say, yes, it is possible to obtain a German residence, which is a passport. German residence permit in 10 years, but the specific term of permit and the conditions vary. Generally, a permanent residence permit, neither lawsuits, salary bonus can be obtained after 5 years of legal residence, but there are exceptions and alternative paths. For example, high qualified professional may be eligible for an EU blue card, which is a passport which can lead to permanent residence after a shorter period. Okay. Standard, you see, very 2 years, 1 year. Of your time, bench of it, they give 10 years. Why damn you all? Why damn you say? Why damn you all? Of your to not get document. A fake, you know, you with your in Napoli. No, you Pepe Enogie. Don't be a kia money below the phone. Hello. Hey, that's what we're working on. Just the talk.
Even the many were turning 100% because in Germany
100%
the document it's already marriage. But I know 10 years. It's already marriage. It's already maybe nearly blue passport. No, those are Z passport.
Yes.
It's already maybe without Nigeria passport. What that's on now? 2 years from 2 years. From maybe 1 year all those things. I don't get 2 years in 2 years in me. When I go here, BS 25 give me.
Okay. Yes.
Obi Fisted, that is from that Obi Fisted maybe 5 years, you know.
Yes, Obi Fisted in Agiri new.
From there, from Obi Fisted to quality passport of already 10 years in you know they happen for journey.
Okay, but I was one we had 10 years in here.
I don't forget that story. I don't journey.
Okay. Let's see. Of your two Bremen, we man a document na ladia. You got attended your report at the end of the day, we report it up. We man really get police where you do shine me. Go to the police, go and use your documents. Who the hell are there? With video on code. In your passport ladia, yeah, with video. Call us was proving history of travel to Germany or other Schengen countries are deemed trustworthy. And now we all no, Germany does not typically issue 10 years. Making of it to now be 10 years. People are saying it's possible in Bremen. We are learning here. If I'm not Bremen, you have you're part of Bremen. Hello. Congratulations to him. USA. Your sister, man. Yahoo. We're one we're working out. Yes.
Because
okay.
So maybe where you must support
yes.
But now
yes, what are you the Germany, the Bremer.
Yes, yes, 1 year, 10 years in money. Let me just analyze it a little
explain
bit.
Yes.
Okay, now, I'm on my passport in one. Maybe we know you know you will count really. But I'm on my passport in one. He's entitled to it because Nigeria 10 years passport in it. If you Ghana, you have many of the 10 years documents because you have a 10 years passport. So the Nigeria commission a 10 years passport. You have any Nigerian. Why would maybe where I could renew a passport or here one new in it. I don't understand the when I part.
Yes.
Maybe where
even my don't know why.
Yes, so some people they quote the law where don't pass. Yes, I understand the way one started explaining that was before. Even Nigeria that commission 10 years passport now. So in Nigeria, ask many Ghanaian people they'll tell you say they get 10 years of
God bless you. His son is on his way.
Okay. Okay. Give my sister husband 10 years. It's true. No, it's only when you have nationality they will give you. Because are you really in no, not Italy? They talk here. They talk about Germany. They talk about Germany. Now for the Bremen, therefore they do am. If you know you live in Bremen, please call into this program. I want to know. Because or not even know the way fake document boy anymore where be. Get better you nothing now. And the story of say you get 10 years Nigeria passport, they can't give you 10 years residence. No, not clear. Because Germany never one day use the system of Nigeria till they operate their system. Now Nigeria go even they use drama system till they operate for Nigeria. Not be then go they use Nigeria system. So I don't know. Please. We're making me understand. We're making me understand. I want to know. Because we are 8 years in here. How? Not be 5 years, not be 2 years. We are 10 years in here. How? I want to know. Hey, Dominique data, he bear papa for that picking. So I can't get the 10 years document. Germany don't give. Okay, it is strange to hear that Germany don't give 10 years. Africa with less. My sister, it be woman. It be woman. It may make one day. Yeah, we are the normal. 10 years.
Congratulations to Big Papa.
As first timer. Even if not be first timer. 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, all be fisted and German passport. I mean 10 years, you know. It is there. If you get Irish and UK passport, now your passport you get, not be my own. I am trying to investigate something here, and they tell me say you get UK passport and Irish. You never see who died, they carry the passport for now. And they tell you something. We want to know. Make I for know. Make I know the process. I accept of Bremen, of Flotte Bremen will get 10 years document. How? They work like that. Yatanai, Yatamata. It may be on your people. I get a lot of people for Bremen, friends. There we are. Now they 10 years in there. So why Oleaki?
Congratulations to Big Papa. Come here, shots. Congratulations. Video. Get. Congratulations.
Oh, Big Papa. This one will be like a fish. Oh, Big Papa. Enogie suppose no say now people they put all these comments here, not mind them all. I pick a big worry, man, you a day. Bremen is a good city. If you have a Nigerian passport of 10 years or 5 years, they will also give you the years in your passport. I live in Bremen. I don't believe you. That's a lie. I don't believe you. I say I don't believe you. I think they tell me. Yeah, Gumetium of Bremen. Gumetium on a Muslim, by Bremen. One of my goddaughter with the Bremen. It's my color. She be nurse. A nurse, you know. Genitier. A Bremen ye. Genitier. My adoring winner. Hello.
Hello, Papa Laura. Good morning.
What up, babe? Good morning.
Good morning. I get what I want to give you because I go check out for Google now. Go check out for their website. May I send that?
Okay, send that for me.
German they give because I check and they say yes, it's possible. Say
for Bremen.
I said and give you, but for me, I did believe, but they know they give 10 years. I don't know.
For Bremen, so I've been there for Google. I've been there for Google.
No, I just Google and like as in from the Germany, they give resident permit of 10 years.
Yes.
Because me, I never hear around before this one and the
that yes, so they talk now passport too.
Yes, passports.
Not be passport, they give on a plastic card, they talk
Because me, I never hear around before.
Okay. You don't know be passport, you own a plastic.
Because that's why I say I want to sit down and give you, because me at the year, at the say I said that the right and say that it's possible that they give now years with the passport, Nigeria they give. Me, I get 10 years passport for Nigeria passport.
You never know me, that's why. In me, I go routine. No.
The normal resident permit of 2 years now they give, because me, I never hear them. As me, they drop this call now. I go down, go ask one German social we did down of my floor here. I'll go ask her, because me, I never hear them before. If they don't give you documents, you get you they happy say German give you 10 years document. Madam, remember, say German that they follow you, you don't go know. That day your page 24 hours. You don't go know. Because me, I never hear them before. You don't go school. You don't do anything. You can't get the because now be fitted. Now me no say be 10 years for Deutschland.
Okay. No, now passport. Now passport. On be fitted, you know the renewal. On be fitted, bless now. Now this thing, we have 5 years or so. 10 years, okay.
10 years. And let me know, because before you go get that up befitted, your process. I can know what I like to know when you know go dry. Because you must go school, you know get as you know get S5, B as not the S5, not the labor in Deutschland, not that you want to get them. Me, I don't know. I don't know that one. Because before you go get that residence, even though say your picking get passports, as far as say they bear, not be your need, they that picking passport, you know go fit to get them. As far as to there, who you say to you, me remember why I wear me that why.
See, they say, listen, no, I worry them. I just Google on now. They say, I can't ask. They say, does Bremen start give 10 years plastic card? See what they write me. They say yes. The city of Bremen issue German nationality, meaning passport. German nationality identity cards, personal advice with a validity of 10 years for applicants age 24 and over.
20 years they give her. 20 years.
Hey!
20 years they give her.
Also, tell Bremen not get passport.
20 years. I won't go renew. I want to tell them they give me 20 years. Imagine.
Et Dominique, on a besoin où est there? Of your Bremen. Et tu m'as passport to Amula via.
Italy or France.
If I guess me.
Be like that. So no, they do not say. If you have a problem, I don't know. Go to German, no good. German, no go talk the reason why they.
Okay, no ma. Go.
Talk the reason why German. No, they say German go. You wake up in the night. They'll say they want you knock for your door without no reason. Not to say that they're stupid. As you did there now, man, they tell you to me that they your page because it don't happen to me. When I go interview that I know say that they follow, they say no be name where they answer for document, not be in my Facebook.
Okay.
I was so shocked and surprised. They bring my picture, everything.
Okay.
Come on, they say this one not be me. Why they answer differently, but they say some name for my document.
Okay.
They say I don't feel I choose to answer this thing. They make me put on. Remember, I said the day your page as they appear, so you say one day you go down. If you reach it, they show you that video, go they play for you. I'm on something like German, know they issue 10 years document. Me, I don't know where I for go bring that woman talk say that Napoli because what if you hear solo in Napoli exists in Agona.
Prince Nasa is not true. Well, not the lie again. Trump say they'll give you according to the passport.
Not be passport. Me, I get 10 years passport and I don't go. I just go renew my new collect.
Okay, how many years they give you? How many years they give you?
Papa, no, 2 years old.
Okay, why not give you the 10 years because why you told me?
Now 2 years resident permit because me I dey Berlin. I don't know the rest. My city now they talk so now 2 years. German this even Berlin when they give document 10 years. The man as I dey drop this I go down. Because I know say the woman there around. She say she dey on it. I'll go press her back. Go ask her if they give document.
Let's see. Let's see. As a yoe, or we are moving the body. When in a band.
Go walk.
Bye.
Useless somebody. Why do I go fake document? Why money? Group together with fake people, fake life people. They come we have fake it.
Oh, one originally le ko better yane. Almost to away me fake.
Egbe wa wo me wa ko fake here we mo fake de but papa I remember saying almost one na Zambia no na if carry this fake document come.
Yes na kakabo.
Na if carry I go say they don't give a document what that say Italy man they put 6 months so Germany and we have
Yes.
Yes. They take her easy. Documents go reach everybody, and I use smart after me. I know how many years I don't spend for Europe, stay for Spain before Jama come finally give me resident permit. One of the take her is like turn by turn. A document I been on my wire, me. In fact, life here, we fake it when a document in you, so nobody here but we me.
You me?
You give me woman will on my school when you tell they go to school. Well, how I go back. We they gonna why I didn't in school now. Ure Facebook will tell, but no man say Enogie. Leave me. I'll go ask. If I ask, I go send her because I go try and record the woman. I go send her and give you for WhatsApp.
Oh, you are me. Oh, yeah, me. Wa ma bagmo. Of your temperament, you wear me disgrace. I disgrace you. I make call like this now. Where Alpha? Why I couldn't know your hand lie honey. You go wait if you pay get a park obe. You go do after where you want go enter you. I disgrace you now. Now, wherever be, but not wherever be. Who you they try? Who you want? Who you they impress? Me? When I want me wawa le ko bete here. Wamana ga beg. Where's my Tory? And where can you where's my way? There is document error. Bagoro. Ibreme. Meti Ibreme nanya. Yawe. Igbe video ni error. Le passport no. Where passport. Plastic we la dia. Fake plastic no we are la dia. Hello. Yo. Why sister? Ibreme, okay. Go on. Okay. The Breme. Okay. Oh, Mommy JJ here we kakabo. I told him, Anna. Where's the sister? She won't hear now say, person say from Bremen say, it is not possible. Yes, so for Germany, yeah, different laws there, but in our still say, I don't get 10 years in Oma. It not the happen. Mammy, I tell you, no good. Bois Havana. Now, this is how I disgraced you. Last year, when you told me give a park over finish, you say they go show. I from here make call. The stress on for outside before I can't use shame enter. Do the thing to me now. If it's short for you on Saturday, give me problem. Use that your fake document we go do for Napoli. Take give me problem on Saturday. I want me you give me problem on Saturday. You don't need a problem in there. That's why I call they beat you now. Si c'est quoi moi, we mama ti bien ba mon, we attend me agwa le be. We mama ti bien ba mon. Dialogue, we bien ba mon me ki agwa le be. Go look for we agwa le mon me ki bien ba be. Me ki agwa le be we bien ba money. For those one we don't know as I take disgrace you and your dominator last year. That's why the pain where I put for the body. Why where they be there? Ou a mosto do gualo ven even e domine ki ano sun hu wagmo iye betray ano no gun agbe ira ya o ni je pologun no ni wa bo lo agbe no gun gbiju e wo me be mo ya bere da go be da wu mo ye Nigeria no sun wu. See the way I take disgrace you. Every year they remind you about year 2024 July. I will show now.
Adeo, quite to the now.
Mahirake, Pamai before.
Okay, now, man.
Will they come?
No,
Yeah, you were market ticket, name any send the picture very Vava.
I thought I went and now we're allowed.
Okay, good. Okay.
No, Wahala.
I can't at you. All right.
Okay.
You see the way they get level. And there again, yeah, I call my guy for Bremen. Say me they not agree me you enter. When are they listening? When I watch.
Okay, daddy, show the ticket now. Show the ticket. Mommy, go here. I greet Mama Regwe. Wait, ticket.
I get order and yes, make you wait for us first until I confirm and before I go.
Okay, what about my ticket?
No, now they talk about you, not you.
So two of us get tickets.
Yes, but I get order, make him wait first. So when I confirm my order,
wait. Don't worry, we are there. We tell you the meeting.
Alpha, you the sea level. I make call from here to the Bremen say, when you are going to Lawa, if not let this disgrace like do you, or my can wear more. After the Bremen, when I said where never bill, but at the command, they work, they put her for brain, say, a picture where I die before. Nonsense. What bell could work it did the Muyan to your Dominique Madion way. Mama Bassi document and picky. Now picky the important parcel. I'm on your mock back here. Maybe a bano. If we never move, that tell you they toss me go look for document where you go more. After the shame and disgrace when I give you not learn from her. When I started to go Bremen, una rule at me police because you are afraid. Then you don't change man. Yesterday, that's they say not be my show, say na person you. If you know say now you the carry Akobe, they come through me. You not give my secret to these presenters. May they take saga me. Now go kill your papa, kill your mom. Go have if you don't say now you the carry Akobe, they come again. But you they use me to do the show. And they call your papa and mama now. Go and disgrace me to them. Say now you they do show. Say hey, yeah show. Then they will know say not be me. If not, now me they do the show. No, nothing they happen. My way, I don't have your way. Now me they do. When I happy with you, do where you are.
Yeah, Bebo. Yeah, Bebo. The working here, man. Man. Yeah, when Makamu Jane.
Why?
Yeah, when Makamu Jane. So, yeah, ne antase. We're only get ticket, me. Hoja. No, yeah, no. Johnny. Oh, can mama.
And God won't punish them. They can't delay video. If not, I for not know say those people still follow my instructions. People will dig it. Talk less of my own. I feel to bring my mama to show where I weekend now. One here bijou, you here fiawo. Unwije waya say show many one market. Unwije waya pay yo. Essence you spoil my show. Umana wo unwije waya pay yo. We the time so the time avant. Because I go few wa. Why we una we na get document. E we me who set where. Bring your marriage video come aside. It be like burial. It's like burial video. And marriage, you know, marriage you no Enogie namu. Enogie omu marriage you were. If not let this disgrace when I give you, you don't know say man, na me be Enogie matter. See the disgrace when I give you, may I plan finish.
What's here? Hey, Mario, what are you to get money? Mama, get it.
So, with you not ticket, go. Of your temperament, they not fit challenge the boys. A live video, I want you say you be man. Well, we know if you talk now, we want me to conk you. But if na live video just now, who's go, Oduma, I'm more how you play this. So when at your Oduma, lion, now you use to compare yourself. You will be like cockroach. Well, now you're fair, they give yourself big name. Say you be Oduma. I mean, you Tausa, you know if you talk like man. The day when I see the boy for a papa, see the boy is small for ground. Yeah, if I tell on, I believe that no, this is saga I do. It's too battery. Now I call tell my wife they say, "Oh, you not even bother to the list. You don't see Ake for real life. If you see Ake for real life."